Yes, I YouTube. Red pepper coming again. Just to show you what's happening on my garden. And as you can see, how much seeds are pumped here. It's not me, it's the nature. Can't stop the nature. Red pepper. Look at them. Growing with some mint. Look at it. Here they get. Oh, here too. Look at this. Hello, Shippy. My cat's Shippy. Oh, look again. Some here too. Here too. And look here. Oh, there is a lot. And I have found some here too who are growing by themselves too. Look how much they grow. We can't stop the nature. The purpose is that. So lovely, lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Stay out on the weather now beginning to grow. Thanks, Mother Nature, for this. Yes, I everyone. Rip Purple coming again. Yes, I.